Hello and welcome to another success story powered by Avataryug. Today we will see how our partnership with a beauty brand transformed their virtual storefront launch into an unprecedented success. The brand, known for its luxurious skincare and makeup, wanted to connect with its online community during the holiday season. They had envisioned creating a magical interactive space that matched their vibrant brand. A place where customers could not only shop but immerse themselves, play around and discover all their amazing new products seamlessly. Together, we conceptualized a 360 virtual gifting workshop that brought their identity to life. It featured interactive experiences like a gift finder quiz, an advent calendar style game, and seamless shopping, all designed to engage and delight their customers. The results were remarkable. The brand experienced a 200% increase in website engagement and a staggering 150% higher conversion rate. At Avataryug, we are proud to partner with visionary brands helping them thrive in the digital age, with immersive solutions that inspire, engage, and deliver results. Join us in transforming your digital presence. Contact Avataryug today.